Hey guys, I wanted to point something out. I wanted to show you something. Just because you're slow doesn't mean you're new. See where we're at? We're in the extra portion of the band. Listen to my man. He's an extra. Oh man, such has been my luck today. Now I'm supposed to go out and mow the grass, but I've got a bit of a problem with Mozilla. If the engine's running, the blades are spinning, man. It's an amputation machine. And I'll probably have no feet left today, not a leg left to stand on. Listen. Ah, come on, man. I'm done. I'm done. No more videos work today. You'll see why in the outro. 73. Hey guys, I found the perfect pair of signals to demonstrate something for receiving CW on this Yaesu. And the signal I was interested in was very, very weak. And I don't know how far off to the side he was, but I had a pounding loud signal that made copying the fellow of interest impossible. And I thought I would show my favorite method of eliminating the QRM off to the side, the pounding loud signal. But they went mute again. I'm going to unpause you if they return or when they return and show you my method. Hang on. Very frustrating. Now not only is the strong signal gone, the weak one is too. Thanks guys, you ruined my video. Shoot. Dang it, Bobby. They're gone. They're gone. Oh well. Guess there was nothing to be learned from this little lesson. Yes, there was too. Patience, patience, patience. And even though I couldn't copy anybody anymore, it's better than using a remote. Because this is real ham radio.